everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys the inserts that we will be getting this Sunday for August 16th. Looks like we're getting one Retail Me Not and one Smart Source. Now these are inserts that most people get. As you coupon more and more, you will realize what you get in your own inserts and what you don't get. Sometimes you get different things that wasn't on this list. So everybody's different. I really wish everybody would get the same inserts, because then I think everything would be equally the same, but I don't know why they do that. But here is the Retail Me Not. The website we are using is SundayCouponInserts.com. So we got Advil, $2 off, Aquafresh, $1, Breyer's product, $1, Carnation, $2. I'm just going to kind of skip through. Centrum Silver, $2, and then something ear, never heard of that. L'Oreal Paris, looks like Root Rescue, buy two get one free. Pat-A-Day eye allergy. Persil, we are getting $2 off coupons. Poland Sparkling Water, $1.50 off at $2 off. Robitussin, $2. Preparation H, $2. Shea Moisture, 5 off at 2. Thermacare, we got, sorry you guys, I'm skipping ahead, 3 off of $3. So most likely there could be some Savings Star deals with Thermacare and all that stuff. I don't know, but there could be some deals. Then we got the Smart Source. We have $1 off Airborne, Allegra Allergy, Almay Eye Product, Almay Face, and Almay Lips. So we are getting some Almay coupons. And then we have $3 off a tube of the makeup remover. So those coupons we can use at Walgreens. That stuff's going to be on sale, plus you get a register reward, so there might be some deals with that. Bosch and Loam, $2 and $4. BioFreeze, $2, $1. We're getting 50-cent Colgate mouthwash and Colgate toothbrush, and 50-cent toothpaste coupons. I'm totally skipping ahead. I gotta look through the computer instead. Dr. Scholl's, $2 off, $5 off, $3 off. Finish Jet Dry, $1. Flips Bag, 75 cents. General Mills cereal, $1.50 off any 3. Johnson's product, it looks like it's going to be a $2 off coupon or a $1 off coupon. Juicy Juice, 75 cents. Mega Red, Move Free, Nasacort, Nivea Lotion, we have $1. 3 off of 2, $1. 3 off of 2, and then Lips, $2 off of 2. Pilot pens, now these don't expire till October 31st. So I always say save these until when stuff starts going on clearance, because then you guys can get some pretty cheap pens. But we got Pilot, $1.50. Pilot, $1. Pilot, $1. Pilot, $1. Revlon Eye, we're getting $3 off, $5 off, $2 off, $1 off. $3 off Schick Smarty Pants, 3 off of Super Soft Pretzel, $1.50. Werther's Original Popcorn, Zeisel, and that is it. So that is what we are getting in the inserts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.